Hi, my name is Dr. Alan Barnard. I'm CEO of Golden Research Labs. I'm super excited to invite you to my half-day workshop at the upcoming TOCICO Innovation Summit, where I'm going to be introducing a simple but very powerful new focusing method, which I call the one thing focusing cycle. We all know that to be successful in any area of your life, you have to focus. And that means not just deciding what are the few things to do, but deciding on the many things that you shouldn't do. Theory of constraints have offered leadership teams and individuals the promise that it will allow you to find and focus on that one goal, that one constraint, that one problem to focus on next. But here's the catch. Real life is messy. There are many goals. There are many constraints, many problems, many conflicts, many solutions that can apply. How the heck do you find the next one to focus on and finish right now? The one that will give you the biggest possible impact, the biggest possible income, allow you to make progress, meaningful progress towards your goal. That's exactly what my session will help you do. Whether you are brand new to theory of constraints, or you're already an experienced TOC practitioner, this session will give you a clear step-by-step method to identify the next one thing to focus on. And here's why it's worth attending in person at the summit. This is not just going to be a lecture. This is going to be an interactive workshop where you'll learn and immediately get the opportunity to apply this method to any part of your life or your organization. You're going to be able to learn from others attending the workshop with you, and you're going to be leading with an innovation method that you can use immediately in any area of your work or your life. So if you're ready to identify once and for all what is that next one thing you should be focusing on right now, I hope to see you at the summit. The link to register will be in the comments below.